Hello to everyone who is interested in electronics. Today I have on my desk two things. The first one is very old vintage oscilloscope, but still it works perfectly fine. And here we have kind of universal system which consists of several electronic tools. The first one is universal counter, and the second one is a function generator. You see a signal from this function generator here. DDM, so digital multimeter, and power supply up to 30 volts, adjustable. You can see that this function generator can make some other signals, other form of signals. So that's the second one, and that's a third one, and it still works perfectly fine. It's quite big box, however you can save some space on the desk. Please see that this universal system is quite big if we compare it to other normal size oscilloscope. However, if you will find a space on this thing on your desk, you would not regret it. It's very old-fashioned but very useful thing for electronic engineer.